Hi guys, my name is Bianca De Vera and these are 5 things I will miss most about the outside world. So number 1, I will miss my 2 dogs, Peach and Mochi. Number 2, of course, my parents. Bilang only child ako and sila lang yung meron ako sa bahay. I will really miss them. Number 3, siguro yung 10 blush on na meron ako sa makeup bag ko. Kasi we're not allowed that much blushes and lipsticks inside the house. So, mamimiss ko ang only blush on ko. Number 4, pink ko na kumot at ang 7 unan na kasama ko matulog every night. And then, number 5, mamimiss ko yung friends ko. I'll miss everyone and my workmates, everyone, my environment.